What's going on YouTube? We're back again, and today we're venting my bonnet. So stay tuned because it's time for some cutting. So if you've seen in my previous videos, the left side's already done. Bit rough, but it is done. So now we're going to be doing the right side. On this side, what its purpose is removing the heat from the oil cooler and the radiator. On the left side, its purpose is just general heat escape from the engine, because on this side you see is where the engine is, so that's what its purpose does for that side. So let's go ahead and start on this side. So I'm just going to start by masking the whole area off with tape, and that way I'll be able to draw where I'm cutting before I cut and make sure I need to cut once and it's in the right place. Okay, so that's all taped up. As you can see in the light, there's actually an ever so slight crease on both sides of the bonnet. And that's what I'm trying to, I tried lining it up on that side, that's what I'm going to try and do again on this side. It's actually very difficult to see up close, so what I kind of need to do is just find the right lighting for it. And then once I do that, I should be able to just use or make a tape line, and that will help me see what exactly where it is. Looks like it's there. I'll just go back and double check. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So now we know we need to be this side of the tape line and cutting in that area. I think I got the angle wrong actually. Okay, it's no biggie. Just gonna cut here. What I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna mark out. I'm gonna start drawing where the bonnet bend sits. So that's the angle. That's the angle I need. Now we have the general shape. If we look in the inside, we can see there's quite a difference in, well, it gives it quite a lot to sit on. So if I just measure that, it's roughly, okay, so it's 1.5 centimeters there, and there, and there. And 1.5 centimeters again. So all the way around, I need to cut 1.5 centimeters in to give the vent space it needs to sit on the bonnet properly. So I did slightly draw the first outline bigger anyway, so I'm not expecting this to be a perfect fit, which is fine because I can always just cut a bit more but not less. So now we're gonna start cutting and then see how the bonnet vent fits. Right, that's the first layer out. Now we've got the second layer of the vent there. It's looking like should fit once we get that out. Okay, so I've already marked out where I need to cut. So now I just need to carry on cutting. Like so. Bonnet vent's on now. You can see the fitments pretty tidy around it. I did actually cut it too small, so I did have to go around some of the edges again. Done that off camera, but that's done now. So now all we need to do is peel off the film. And there we have our newly installed bonnet vent along the other side. And then through it we can see the top of the radiator, or the expansion tank for the radiator, and the battery. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, then please like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram under @silveraygo, and I'll see you guys in the next video.